Today's lesson, inshallah, is very interesting lesson. You'll like it. Model subtraction of fractions.
Sir, this isn't easy.
Oh, I know. I said that before you. Okay, my heroes. What we are going to do today, we will solve questions like these questions. Let's see. Use fraction strips or other tools to subtract. 1/3 minus 1/3, 5/5 minus 2/5, and so on. Okay. To start, my heroes, open your books page. Tell me, my heroes, what page is this? This page is
484. 484.
great. 484, yes. And now, my heroes, I will play a video. Please focus with the video and do not use your mics during the video unless I call your names.
How can you use tools to subtract fractions?
Tools can make subtracting fractions easier. Let's see how.
A flower garden is divided into eighths. If 2/8 of the garden is used to grow yellow roses, what fraction is left to grow other flowers? What fraction can you use to represent the whole garden?
Abdulaziz Abbas. Abdulaziz Abbas.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Abdulaziz. No, not you, Abdurrahman. I said Abdulaziz Abbas. علاء غازي. علاء. علاء. Of course, my hero. What fraction can you use to represent the whole garden? The whole garden. How many parts?
4.
The whole garden is 4
4.
parts. Can you see here 4 parts?
No.
The total.
8/8.
Excellent. So we can represent it as 8/8. Thank you, Ala.
Since the garden has 8 sections, 8/8 represents the whole garden. What fraction represents the part of the whole garden used for yellow roses?
Muhammad Sultan.
Here.
Okay, Muhammad. The yellow roses represents how many? Or not how many? What fraction represents what fraction? How many sections are yellow roses?
Yellow roses.
Yes. How many?
1, 2, 3.
What are you
4,
counting, my
5.
hero? The yellow roses. This one and this one. So it's only 2 sections.
Yeah.
And the total is
8.
so the fraction is
2/8.
excellent. Wow, I like your answer. Thank you, my hero.
Since 2 of the 8 sections are used to grow yellow roses, 2/8 would be the fraction that represents that part. You can use tools such as fraction strips to represent subtraction. One way. Find 8/8 minus 2/8. 8/8 equals 8 1/8 strips. 2/8 equals 2 1/8 strips. Separating the 2/8 from 8/8 leaves 6/8. Why do you take away 2 of the 1/8 strips? You need to find the fraction of the garden left to grow other flowers. Another way. Find 8/8 minus 2/8 using a number line. 8/8 is represented by 8 1/8 segments. 2/8 is represented by 2 1/8 segments. Separating the 2/8 from the 8/8 leaves 6/8. How is using a number line like using fraction strips?
Okay, this is open question. Anyone?
Me, Mohammed Al-Hamidan.
Okay, Muhammad.
Abdurrahman.
Muhammad Al-Humaydan first.
Yes.
What's your answer? What's the similar thing between the number line using the straps and using the fraction, sorry, using the line segments and using the straps? What is the similar thing here? Yes, Muhammad, what's your answer? Okay, Abdurrahman.
They are same about the number line have 8 equal parts.
Great.
In the other model, he gives you that he wants you to make
Also,
minus from 8/8 to 8/8, and here is the number line. He takes 2 from the 8/8, and now it being 6/8.
thank you, Abdurrahman. I like your answer. So my heroes, they are similar since we are using the whole one as 8/8 in both of them, and after that we just cancel 2/8, 2 straps if you are using straps, or 2 segments if you are using number line, and the left will be 6/8.
With both tools, you start with 8/8 and take away 2/8 and see that you have 6/8 left. 8/8 minus 2/8 equals 6/8. Six-eighths of the garden is left to grow other flowers. Now you know how to use tools to subtract fractions.
Okay, my heroes, now back to the book. So now in the book, my heroes, please tell me what page is this?
485.
Great.
485.
Great. Okay, my heroes, we will start with question number 2. And as you see in the question, we can use fraction straps or any other tool like number line. And we can do our own way to solve it. If you can do it in another way, you can tell me how you can do it, and I will do it with you. Ali Sultan.
Yes, Mister.
Go ahead. Question number 2.
1/3 minus 1/3 equal 0/3.
Excellent. 0/3. And I want to ask you a question. Why do you use this 0/3? Because tell us how you did it. How you did it, my hero. Explain. Ali, explain.
We will not minus the denominator.
Denominator,
We will
yes. We will
minus
not
the-
subtract the denominator, and we will
and
just subtract.
just the numerator.
And 1 minus 1 equals 0. So it's 0 over 3. And my hero,
Yeah.
let's think of it as a strip. I will use only one strip, which represents 1/3. And now let's take away one strip. Are you ready? How many strips do you have left? How many strips do you have left? Nothing. So when we don't have anything, so it's 0. So simply, my heroes, we can just write 0. Oh, now this 0 is like an egg. I will erase it and I will write it again. Okay. So 0/3 means 0. And this leads us to a very important note, which is note that 0 is equal 0 over 1 equals 0 over 2 equals 0 over 3 equals 0 over any number. It's 0. You don't have anything. When you don't have anything, so it's 0, just 0. Okay, thank you, Ali. Let's move to the next one, Muhammad Al-Humaydan.
Yes, Mister, I am here.
Question number 3.
Question number 3. 5 minus 2 equal 3. 5 minus 5 equal 5.
You said 5 minus 2 equals 3. I like this. But I don't like when you say 5 minus 5. You can say, write the same denominator, like denominator. Okay, so you are not subtracting the denominators. Thank you, Muhammad. Great work. Thamir. Thamir Al-Isa.
Yes.
Go ahead, my hero. Question number 4.
Seven minus
Mm-hmm.
minus 3
Mm-hmm.
5.
Okay, so I will write 5. Just that. Whole 5, you mean? It's 7/12ths, and we cancel 3/12ths. So the remainder should be 5/12ths.
12.
But my hero, 7 minus 3 is not 5. Okay, let's use the strips. This is 1/12. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, they are not the same, but no problems. They are 7, and each one of them is 12. And we will cancel how many? We will cancel 3.
3.
So let's
Will be
cancel
4.
3. 1, 2, 3. The remaining will be for what?
4 over 12.
Excellent. 4/12ths. Thank you, my hero. Good work. Okay. Hussein Ali. Hussein.
Yes.
The next one, question number 5.
7 minus 1 is 6. And we just put the 8 as the denominator.
Great. So, can you read this fraction?
6 over 8.
6/8.
6 18.
Thank you, Hussein. Okay, my heroes, I see that you can do it well. Any questions? Any problems? Okay, we will continue in other questions also, but first let's go and play a game. And after the game,
Mister, I have a question.
okay, ask.
17 over 10 minus 3 over 10. What's equal?
Just subtract the numerators. It will be 14/10. And you can do it also as a mixed number. It will be 1 and 4/10. Okay, my hero? Yes?
Ahmed, yesterday he told me Kilkara. And he told me
Any questions, my heroes, about subtraction? Okay, I will send to you the link. And please do not leave the session. Everyone, please focus with me. My heroes, focus. We'll continue now. Abdulaziz Khalid. Abdulaziz Khalid.
What, mister? What, mister?
A whole number and a fraction. This is called
Mixed number.
mixed number. Thank you, my hero.
Welcome.
Okay, the next question. Ahmed Fahad. Ahmed Fahad. Abdulaziz,
Yes,
mute your
mister.
mic. Okay, Ahmed, 11/12 minus 5/12.
What?
Question number 2, as you can see on the screen.
Yes, I can see. I see.
Quickly, Ahmed.
I see.
Yes, I want the answer. Quickly, Ahmed.
The 11
Okay.
minus what?
Minus 12.
No.
My hero, we use the same denominator. And we just subtract the numerators. 11 minus 5 equals
11 minus 5 equal 6.
so the answer should be
6.
no
6 12.
yes 6/12. Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next one. In question number 3, Ibrahim Jughayman. Ibrahim Jughayman.
Here, mister.
2 sectors minus 1 sixth.
1 equal 1 6.
1/6. Thank you, my hero. Okay. Danielle. Danielle. Hussein. Hussein. Muhammad Raed.
Yes.
Okay, Hussein, go ahead.
15 4.
What's
15 minus 12 is 3 and 3/22.
3/22. Thank you, my hero. And let's move down to see the next question. Abdulaziz Rashid. Abdulaziz Rashid.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead. 7/9 minus 4/9.
It's 3 zeros.
Three zeros? What?
I mean,
You should use the same denominator. So 3 what? 3/9. But we don't have 3/9 in the choices. What should we do? You can find equivalent fraction. Use division, since you can divide by what is the common factor between 3 and 9? What is the common factor of these two numbers, 3 and 9? 9 is in the timetable of 3, so we can divide by 3. 3 divided 3 equals
9.
divide. We are dividing. Focus.
1
And 9 divide 3.
equal 3.
So the correct choice here is 1/3.
1/3.
Okay, thank you, Abdulaziz. Abdullah Mubarak.
Yes, Mr.
9/10 minus 3/10.
9. 9 minus 3 equal 7.
No, 6.
Okay, so
And the denominator?
10.
So we don't have this in the choices. So we can divide by a number. We can divide by what number? The common factor?
You can divide by 3.
Can you divide 10 divide by 3?
No.
Okay, you need to choose a number that you can divide 6 and 10 by the same number. Quickly, my
60.
hero. Divide, my hero, focus. I don't like this. Divide, not times. You will divide by 60.
Yes, it's equal 6.
You can divide 10 by 6. Help, my heroes. Anyone can tell me what can we divide by? Muhammad Yahya?
Yes, mister, we can divide by 2. It will be 3 out of 5.
So we'll divide by 2. Thank you, Muhammad. And back to Abdullah. Abdullah, 6 divided 2.
6 divide 2.
Quickly, Abdullah.
3.
And
10 divide by 2. 5.
so the correct choice here is 3/5. As you can see, my heroes, to solve the questions, I need to write, and maybe I need sometimes to find equivalent fraction. Okay, back to the book, my heroes. And as you can see here, we have many questions. We can do this the same way. And what we will do now, we will solve questions 6, 9, and 12. Okay, let's go ahead. Khalifa. Khalifa.
Yes, mister.
11/12 minus 5/12. You can see the picture here, of course.
Yes.
Okay, if we take away 5/12, we have remaining 6. Yes? 6 what?
6
Huh?
12.
Excellent. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Muhammad Raed?
Here.
Go ahead.
Two, I mean 4/5 minus 2/5 equal
Mm-hmm.
2/5.
Great. Thank you, my hero. Riyadh? Riyadh?
Yes.
Go ahead.
10.
No, question number 12.
9 minus. Wait. 9 minus 1 equals 8. So 8/6.
And as you can see, 8 sectors is more than 6 sectors. Can you write it as a mixed number?
No, I don't know.
How many whole can you find? How many whole ones can you find in 8 sectors? It's 6 sectors plus how many? Plus 2 sectors. So I can see only one whole here. So it's one whole and 2 sectors. Okay, Riyadh? So when you try to write it as a mixed number, you can do it like this. Okay, my heroes, we have this is the end of our session. Do you have any questions, any problems? Please, everyone, try to solve all other questions by yourselves. Okay, thank you, my heroes. This is the end of our session, and goodbye.